The concept of financial management dates back to ancient civilizations. The Babylonians, as early as 1800 BCE, had sophisticated systems for tracking debts, interest, and financial transactions. In today's complex business environment, organizations without certified financial management professionals often struggle with strategic financial decision-making. They may face challenges in capital budgeting, risk management, and optimizing financial resources. This can result in missed growth opportunities, inefficient use of capital, and decreased shareholder value. On a personal and team level, finance professionals without specialized certification may find it difficult to navigate complex financial scenarios, struggle with implementing best practices, or face challenges in providing strategic financial advice. This can lead to suboptimal financial strategies and a lack of confidence in financial leadership. This comprehensive certification course comes to the rescue by providing a robust foundation in all aspects of financial management. It equips participants with advanced tools and techniques for effective financial planning, control, and decision-making. By pursuing this certification, individuals will gain in-depth knowledge of financial analysis, corporate finance, investment management, and financial strategy. They'll learn to make data-driven financial decisions, develop effective financial policies, and align financial strategies with organizational goals. The impact on organizations can be transformative. With certified financial management professionals, companies can expect improved financial performance, better risk management, and enhanced ability to create shareholder value. This leads to increased financial stability and improved competitiveness in the market. At the personal and team level, certified professionals will become trusted financial advisors within their organizations. They'll be able to provide strategic financial insights, lead complex financial initiatives, and drive financial excellence across the organization. This expertise can lead to significant career advancement opportunities and improved financial outcomes for the entire organization. Don't let a lack of specialized financial management expertise hinder your organization's success. Empower yourself and your team by becoming certified financial management professionals. Enroll in this course today and take a significant step towards financial leadership and organizational success.